Hey guys, welcome to the GearsNTool channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Leatherman's $20 bit extender. And the question I'm going to be asking is, what does this exactly do? And is it worth $20? So if you have the Leatherman Charge, Wave, or Surge, you'll have this 2D bit adapter on the tool itself that takes these various Leatherman bits, which is kind of a nice feature. You can customize the tool to have the bits that you use frequently. And I know a lot of people are buying these bit extenders because the one that's on the tool itself is relatively short, so they can fit more tools into it, which makes sense. So this bit extender is $20, and on one end it has the Leatherman kind of 2D bit driver shank. On the other hand, it has what appears to be a standard 1/4 inch bit driver, which I was a little surprised when I bought this. I thought the end was going to be a 2D driver like the Leatherman tool has. So seeing that this was basically a standard bit driver that can take the standard 1/4 inch bits out of my drill kit. So I said, well, can I modify a standard bit extender that I got in my bit kit for about $20 from the hardware store to fit into the Leatherman Charge? And to do this, all I did is I took the standard bit extender and I machined off on either side of the 1/4 inch drive 1/16 of material to leave a 2D 1/8 inch thick shank, just like the Leatherman bit extender. That fits into the Leatherman Charge. So let's talk real quick about why you might want to modify an existing bit extender you already have and why the Leatherman bit extender might be worth the $20 to you depending on your use case scenario. So first of all, the modified bit extender works great. It stays in the tool, doesn't fall out. I can remove and add bits as needed without having to worry about it coming out of the bit adapter. So overall, I would say the project was a success. There are a couple minor differences I should point out though. The pocket on the standard bit driver is not as deep as the pocket on the Leatherman bit driver. So when I try to put a Leatherman bit into the standard bit driver, it wiggles quite a bit. While it does mate with the standard bit extender, it is a less than ideal fit with quite a bit of wobble. Now with the Leatherman bit extender, the Leatherman bits sit much more deeply, giving a more secure fit. The other difference I want to point out is you'll see the shank of the standard bit extender does not go all the way into the tool. Now when I put the Leatherman bit extender in, you'll see the shank of the Leatherman bit extender go all the way through the bit adapter of the tool into the base, where the modified tool that I made only goes about halfway in to the bit adapter. So there you have it. There's my homemade version of the bit extender and how it works with the Leatherman Charge. Hopefully this video saves you a little bit of money. If you just want to use standard 1/4 inch bit drivers with your Leatherman, I think the homemade version would work just fine. However, if you want to use the Leatherman bit drivers, you're probably going to want to buy the Leatherman bit extender because it has a much deeper pocket on the end, giving a much more secure fit for the Leatherman bit drivers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below. It helps the channel out a lot. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get more tips and tricks in future videos just like this one. Cheers!